Hello guys, welcome back to our channel of Colorido. Today we are going to show you what digital printing machines are and how they work. We got rollers of different sizes. They are ranging from 17 millimeters to 120. For the smallest one, we can use it to print patterns on kid socks. And for the size of middle size, we can use it for yoga products like leggings. Now we are going to see the workshop of our company.
This is the final process. We use this heater to dry our cotton items like printed socks. Dozens of socks can be put inside together, thus we decrease labor force and improve efficiency. This is the steamer. We put socks into the steamer for better color fastness. The output of this steamer is around 1,000 pairs a day. This is a DGF printer. We have two Epson i3200 print heads inside. This printer is also equipped with an automatic stirring system for the white ink.
This is our new product, location printer, and we arrange monthly training for our employees. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about digital printing, keep following Joanne Colorido.